What's good, y'all? It's your boy Chris back at it again. Hope that y'all doing good. Hope everything's good. You know, all that good stuff. God damn. Sheesh. Shout out to my boy Jesus for detailing this thing. Too bad I can't take it out. So, can you guys even see? Hell no, this car is way too down low for that. But yeah, I can't take this car out. Look. Doesn't want to open. Won't even go into accessory mode. Does the hood open? Oh, I see why. That's why I can't take it out. Let's lock this thing up and I'll get back with y'all inside. What's good, y'all? What's good? All right. Y'all didn't see that. Y'all see this though, right? All right, so the reason why I can't take the car out is because I have no oil in it. I tried to drop the oil pan and I thought I could do it without dropping the K member, but the K member has to be dropped. I can do that, but it's kind of sketchy on the street, you know, not with the proper tools like a lift or something to support it. Realistically, like my boy Ando said, I can drop the K member by loosening. Wait, hold on. Let me start again. I'm sorry, guys. I just got a whole bunch of things running through my mind. All right. Okay, look. I tried to drop the oil pan. I couldn't because I couldn't wiggle it out. Even though my K member gives me plenty of room to access the bolts, I couldn't get it out because the transmission was in the way. And like I said in the beginning, my boy Ando said I can loosen the engine mounts, jack up the transmission, and wiggle it out from there, but it's a pain in the ass. And this car is a pain in the ass and a money pit. I'm gonna be taking the car to Flex Function. Big shout out to Tom and Jerry, Cat and Mouse, Niner lovers over there. So make sure y'all go to Flex Function's IG page and comment hashtag Go Niners because they are big Niners fans, especially Tom. Tom's a big Niners fan. All right, Tom, I know you're a big Niners fan. So that's why I'm wearing this hat for you today, okay? I should have taken care of my oil pan because it wouldn't have led to this moment, and I also shouldn't have gone into a dirt wall because it led to this moment. But hey, this moment is kind of good because like, look, I got whole brand new parts, like, you know, new oil pan, new rear canards. I know y'all see the name. It's upside down, yes, but if you know, you know. Yeah, this car has given me plenty of headaches. Can't even talk. I can only do so much, you know. So that's why I'm just gonna take it to Flex Function, not deal with the headache, and just call it a day. As much as I'd love to wrench on this car, I mean, you guys know that I do here and there, but it's just like sometimes I'm just like, bruh, let me just take it to a shop and let y'all deal with the headache, not me. The reason why it's going to Flex Function is because I do need to get the car aligned, so I just rather have everything done right then and there rather than having the car go to this shop, go to that shop, go here, over there. Like, it's just, I just rather get it done at that same shop. That way, when the car is out of the shop, it's ready to go. What's going to be done at Flex Function is these two boxes right here. Actually, you know what? That third one right there too is the steering shaft. This one's my oil pan. In there is just all my oils and the filters. So like trans fluid. Oh, I do need to flush the trans. So I might as well have it done there because like I said, I just want the car done. That way I don't have to do anything else to it after. And I could just, you know, mob around. Shout out to my brother Ando for helping me with the diff fluid. I didn't get that on camera, but once the car is up in the air, I'll show you what we wrote on the diff cover. not show you what we wrote, what we drew. It's an art piece, okay? But yeah, y'all, don't neglect your maintenance. If you need to do something, do it, because it could just lead up to things like this. Other than that, I do want to touch on the canards. For those of you that don't know, these are the rear valances that go on my Roush Mustang. Probably should go outside to go show you where they go. You know what? I'll go do that right now. Sorry for the wind. It's kind of windy out here. But damn, dude, this car looks, oh, it looks so good, but I can't even drive it. The rear canards go right here, and they cover the exhaust hole. So yeah, they on both sides, they go right here. I got those rear valances on OfferUp because they don't make them anymore. So big shout out to one of my followers. I'll throw up the screenshot right here. He's actually the one that sent me the listing, because you know, I didn't even think about looking on OfferUp or anything. So shout out to you, bro. Shout out to you. Yeah, those rear valances are gonna go right here, and then something is gonna go right here, and actually something else is gonna attach to the rear valances to make the rear end look a little bit more aggressive. Damn, look at those Schmeats. Look at those Schmeats. $2.95, boy. And then also too, I gotta figure this out because they did pop out. So probably just gonna call it a day. Throw some zip ties. I just realized that one right there, that one's barely hanging on. Actually, you know what? This one's not that bad. I think I might just have to do some body work myself and hammer that side out. Car's washed, and then now you can actually see where it's cracked. So it's cracked right there, right there. You can see some more scuffing. So I was thinking about returning my rear bumper, that big box that you guys saw behind me, but I don't think I am. I think I'm gonna just get it painted, and even though I'd lose the Mustang lettering, it's fine. I've always wanted a clean shaved bumper, and I think the look would be better. One last look at this thing though, because goddamn, this car looks good. Looks real good. Also need to get a front splitter. It's gonna be from the same company. Big shout out to the seller too, Luis. Thank you. I don't think you're gonna watch this video, but just in case you do, big shout out to you. These are in mint condition. Just like, look, it still has a part number right here, like the sticker. Like they're just dusty. I'm surprised I was even able to find some. Well, I didn't find it, but one of my followers did for me. I'm surprised that you were able to find these, because these are discontinued. Shout out to you, my boy. What else can I say? What else can I say? Don't neglect your maintenance. If you need to do something, do it, because at the end of the day, it could bite you in the ass, and it bit me in the ass. Gotta take it. For them to drop the K member, unbolt the oil pan. Oh, you know what? Speaking about that, I did drain the oil, so there's no oil in the car. That's why I disconnected the battery. I didn't even tell you guys that, my bad. I'm so sorry. But the reason why I disconnected the battery, yeah, I couldn't do it, so that's why I just hit up Flex, and I was like, hey, this is what I got going on. This is what I need done. They said, yeah, cool. Other than that, though, my girl's car got stolen. Yes, the boat was taken by some people that can't work hard and get one of their own. And then I just got the news right now. My boy Ondo's S4, the wee machine, got stolen too. I helped my girl build that car, and then obviously I helped Ondo when we did the intake. I know I didn't do anything, but still, it's like, damn. It sucks. It sucks. But hey, we can't really do much but keep pushing forward. I know that something good is going to come out of the situation for the both of them, my girl and Ondo. So whatever happens, I just know it's going to be good. Gotta keep our heads up. And y'all keep your head up too, because I know maybe some of y'all watching or whoever's watching this is probably going through some stuff. Just know there's light at the end of the tunnel. There's always going to be light at the end of the tunnel. You just got to fight through the darkness before you get to it. Shout out to my boy Tomate and Max. This is my leopard gecko that I've had since I was like... How long have I had him? I think I had him since I was like 7. And I'm 24. And this is my boy Tomate, aka Tomato, for those of y'all that don't speak Spanish. I know, I gotta clean the tank and I gotta fill up the water. Yes, I know. But hey, look. Look at this crib. Hey, what's up, fool? What's up? Say hi to YouTube. Shout out to Rose for the tank and all the stuff that she gave me for Tomate. He loves the tank. This fool's sleeping. Thank you guys for watching. Appreciate the support. Like, comment, subscribe. Like always, rise over obstacles and stay humble. Peace. One more thing before I dip. Big changes coming soon, so I hope that y'all ready for the new look of the Mustang. I know it's not gonna be nothing too crazy, but it's gonna look good. It's gonna look good. All right, y'all. I'll catch y'all later. Peace.